In the Rainforest. In the Rainforest is the title of the book. It is the name of the book by Rachel Fagerberg. That is the author, the person who wrote the book. This is the title page. It's the first page in the book with the title. Look at the frog. A frog can hop. Look at the monkey. A monkey can swing. Look at the snake. A snake can slide. Look at the fish. A fish can swim. Look at the spider. A spider can climb. Look at the crocodile. A crocodile can walk. Look at the butterfly. A butterfly can fly. Look at the bat. A bat can fly too. The end.